Welcome to Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking all about image. Man, what an exciting Devo today. Did you know that you, yes, you are created in the likeness of someone? It's true. Have you ever overheard new parents wonder if their child is going to have her nose or his hair? And they just talk about which features are going to come from each side of the family. Well, I have some good news for you today. No matter what traits you may have inherited from your biological parents, and no matter if maybe you never even met your biological parents, there are some truths about you that we know are certain. In fact, God's word is going to tell us about it. Let's check out today's verse in Genesis chapter 1, starting in verse 27. It says, "So God created human beings in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them." Man, what is true about you is that you are created in the image of God. What is image? Image could be defined as a physical representation of something spiritual. So a physical representation of God himself. What does that mean? That you reflect the image and the nature and the goodness of God. This means that you, every single man, woman, girl, and boy who is listening, every single man, woman, boy, and girl in the world is made in the image of God. There is equal value represented in you. God created all people in his image. So the next time, if you wonder what is valuable about you, remember that you're made in the image of God. No matter what your family line is like, you have something of great value that is in you already. Listen, that can never be taken away from you. And also, man, I've just been on this journey of remembering not only am I created in the image of God, but others are too. That other people have value and worth, whether I notice it or not. Isn't this true? We often believe this from a distance, that people matter and they're valuable. But it's hard to hold on to that truth when we find ourselves face to face with someone who is new or different or challenging. So what if we did this? What if we worked to pay attention to the situations when we view somebody with fear or quick judgment, rather than viewing somebody as made in the image of God, of valuable, of worthy of life and goodness and breath? So all of us, let's do this. Let's hold on to this valuable family trait that each of us have from God. You were made in his image by God, and you are reflecting the goodness of God. Let's hold on to that truth together. We'll see you next time.